In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video on Capcut without a watermark on your iOS device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an iPad, the process is simple and incredibly helpful for those who want their videos looking clean and professional. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step so that you can easily save your videos and share them without any unwanted logos. First, you'll want to open up your Capcut app and make sure that the project you want to edit is ready to go. Launch the app on your iPhone or iPad, and then navigate to the project you're working on. This can be a video you've recorded or a series of clips you've put together using the app. Once your project is open, it's time to get to work. Next, take a look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice that the last clip in your project features the Capcut logo. This is what we want to address, as it's how Capcut adds its watermark to your final export. Simply tap on this last clip with the logo. It's generally fixed at the end of your timeline, making it an easy target for removal. After you've selected the Capcut logo clip, you'll see several options appear on the screen. What you're going to do is tap on delete. This should be visible either as an icon or as a word, depending on the version of the app you're using. Once you hit delete, this logo clip will disappear from your timeline, effectively removing the watermark from your video. Now, with the logo clip out of the way, it's time to save your clean, brand-free video. Look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find an arrow symbol. This is the export button. Tap on it to start the saving process. Capcut will then convert your project into a final video file and export it to your Photos app. Make sure you have enough storage space in your device to accommodate the video, especially if it's a longer one. And just like that, you've saved your video directly to your Photos app, completely free of any watermarks. This allows you to share your video on social media, upload it to various platforms, or even send it to friends and family with no branding attached. Remember, this straightforward strategy ensures your work looks polished and professional every time. So there you have it, a simple, effective way to save videos from Capcut without the watermark on your iOS device. Thank you for watching and happy editing.